Hello guys, today we come to Tangshan Yuantai Derun Pipe Company Limited. Yuantai is a group company that makes warm and dream into cold steel. It is not only China top 100 private enterprise, China top 100 manufacturing enterprise, but also national single champion enterprise in the industry who sets the standard of the industry. Star products and the Yuantai brand hollow sections market share is also ranked at the first in China and also all over the world. And even more impressive is that they have also participated in many large-scale projects that are well known to everyone. For example, Beijing Bird's Nest, National Grand Theatre, Hong Kong Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, and also constructions of last year World Cup in Qatar. They are all there. Also a leader in the photovoltaic industry and smart agriculture industry. Okay, we don't talk much. Let's experience together the ingenuity of Chinese private enterprises in the steel industry. Let's go. In recent years, with the cooling of real estate, the steel industry, which is most closely related to it, has also entered a period of rectification and transformation. Everyone is struggling to find new breakthroughs. There is such a steel company born in Jinghai Tianjin Yuantai Group has keenly grasped the strategic trend. In 2017, Yuantai exported products total 430 million yuan to Egypt. A smart greenhouse was built in the desert, bringing fresh vegetables to this desert country. Let rural revitalization go abroad. Yuantai also puts into operation the largest photovoltaic base in the country, Jinghai, 1 district and 2 parks. So how does steel combine with these 2 items? The secret lies in one of the company's flagship products, square and rectangular tubes. It is a type of steel pipe. It sounds not familiar, but it is everywhere in life. It is often used as a support structure for items, large enough to support bridges, small as a window frame, base frames for beds and sofas. Photovoltaic support frame and digital greenhouse for smart agriculture can't live without it. However, photovoltaics and greenhouses have relatively high requirements for frames. Let's take photovoltaics as an example. Currently the most popular in rural areas, it is a photovoltaic sunroom that places crystal panels on the roof. This requirement for the framework, it must be particularly light. Otherwise, the roof will be unbearable. However, as steel pipes reduce weight, they have to sacrifice stability and corrosion resistance. Can't have both at the same time. Yuantai has developed a new product, Zinc-Aluminum-Magnesium steel tubes. These 3 metals are attached to the surface of the steel coil in a certain proportion. Its anti-corrosion performance is improved by 5 to 6 times under the same conditions. Just as used for photovoltaic sunroom, Yuantai has successfully integrated into new fields from this, opened a new track. How are square and rectangular tubes produced? Let's focus on the company's core products, hot dip galvanized tubes. Observe the production line. The first step is to uncoil the coils of hot rolled steel, lighten into raw materials for later use. The next 2 steps are crucial. The steel strip is flattened and then shaped and high-frequency welded. First shaped to round and then to square section. In theory, it will directly destroy the stability of the welding, and there must be a curvature or corner. The larger our corner, the lower the quality. However, Yuantai's high-frequency welding combined with 4-corner line heating can ensure that the steel tube is extruded to 90 degrees, which is another benchmark in the industry. The second step is to carry out pickling. Wash away impurities from metal surfaces. Pickling will produce certain toxic gases. Therefore, the pickling rooms are all sealed. Workers must wear gas masks when entering and exiting. Only after cleaning the rear, rectangular pipe can proceed to the 3rd step. Finally, carry out factory standard packaging. There's no need to worry about the discharge pollution. Yuantai has a special water purification system. Look at the water before and after treatment. Isn't it amazing? There are valves in every link of the factory. Once the valve is opened, when water is needed, the treated wastewater will automatically flow back to various production lines for recycling.
其实就是赶上了中国的改革发展的大的一个周期。从08年开始，包括我们各种设施啊、基础设施建设啊，包括桥梁啊、公路啊、护栏啊，再加上我们近些年来的消费提升，你比如说玻璃幕墙工程。以前我们的可能没有那么多大楼，就更谈不上玻璃幕墙的这种外挂立面。它这个其实就是我们一种社会的产业的消费升级。
As number 1 in the square and rectangular tube industry, the successful transformation of Yuantai Derun is also in line with the general trend of the chemical market. This year's Central Financial World Conference prepares financial institutions to serve high-quality development. Yuantai's raw materials are all listed on the Shanghai Futures Exchange. If we combine the craftsmanship accumulated by Yuantai for more than 20 years with financial vitality for future service entities, it can solve the problem of large fluctuations in raw material prices and memory profit for enterprises, forge the ability of enterprises to adapt to larger markets and face higher risks, and add another motto for enterprise upgrades. 100 years of Yuantai, good character warms people's hearts. Let's give a sum up to Yuantai's ingenuity.